13 incredible benefits of drinking turmeric milk every day and how to make it. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is an age-old, effective remedy for soothing and treating various problems. From internal or external pain and injuries to quick beauty hacks, turmeric milk is an all-rounder solution to many issues. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of turmeric, with the goodness of milk, acts as an effective healing beverage. Plus, it also tastes good, and you can always make it even yummier by adding a blend of different spices and nuts. In this video, we will share with you the 13 super benefits of this magical golden milk and learn a quick and perfect recipe to make it. Number 1. Strengthen your immunity. Turmeric, the magical yellow spice, is known for countless health benefits. Many of these benefits are due to a powerful component known as curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that is highly effective in boosting your immune responses. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology shows that drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk daily makes your immune system stronger. Different minerals and vitamins in it play a role in strengthening your body and making it capable of protecting against various infections and diseases. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Improve blood circulation. Apart from being a perfect antiseptic, turmeric plays a vital role as a blood purifier. Drinking turmeric milk aids in the regulation of blood circulation, releases body toxins, and improves the health and quality of blood and various body organs. Studies in pharmacological research shows that circulation and blood flow improve by consuming turmeric milk regularly. It is due to the blood thinning and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Moreover, turmeric milk is a powerful, non-toxic, and natural supplement that can help in the irregular menstrual cycle, nausea, and severe cramps that occur in women due to hormonal imbalances. Number 3. Improves your skin health. Being a natural antiseptic, turmeric is a common component of face packs. If you are troubled with all those dark spots and two tones on your skin, a turmeric face pack will do wonders for you. In the same way, drinking turmeric in the form of turmeric milk has a great effect on your skin by making it clear and glowing. It is quite effective in preventing the formation of blackheads and blemishes. A study in phytotherapy research indicates the antibacterial and antifungal properties of turmeric are effective for getting rid of acne. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, and these antioxidants help in curing and preventing the occurrence of acne. Apart from consuming turmeric milk orally, you can also apply it to the acne-prone areas of your skin with a soft cotton ball. Number 4. Great for your heart's health. Turmeric is highly effective in regulating blood pressure, preventing blood clotting, and various factors essential for maintaining cardiac health. According to a study in the International Journal of Cardiology, turmeric may help reverse heart damage by bringing out an improvement in the functioning of blood vessels. Number 5. Cure cold and flu. A glass of warm turmeric milk is undoubtedly one of the most recommended remedies to ease the symptoms of cold and flu. Turmeric is quite effective in preventing common colds, influenza, and similar viral infection, whereas milk is helpful in the treatment of throat infections. A research study in Frontiers in Microbiology suggests that the most active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is a strong antioxidant and a potent antiviral agent. It reduces the release of histamine in the body. As a result, the symptoms of cold and flu lower. Number 6. Improves liver health. Turmeric plays an effective role in detoxification and possesses hepatoprotective properties. So, a glass of turmeric milk daily is great for the health of your liver. A study by the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases indicates that curcumin is effective for a smooth and natural flow of the bile duct, a natural liver cleanser. And turmeric added to a cup of warm milk helps in the easy absorption of curcumin, making them a perfect combination. Number 7. Beneficial for the digestive system. Being rich in anti-inflammatory agents like curcumin, turmeric is very effective against various issues related to digestion. According to research in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, drinking 1 glass of turmeric milk daily is beneficial for your stomach because it provides relief against several digestive problems like diarrhea, bloating, constipation, gas, and even stomach ulcers. Number 8, helpful in respiratory problems. Anti-inflammatory compounds in turmeric play a vital role in providing relief during respiratory conditions like pulmonary fibrosis, obstructive pulmonary diseases, acute injury of lungs, and asthma. A research study published in the journal Carcinogenesis shows that turmeric is very effective in reducing airway inflammation and improves the functioning of your respiratory system. Number 9, aids in weight loss. Doesn't this sound great? A glass of yummy turmeric milk taken regularly can aid weight loss to some extent. But how? A study published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology shows that turmeric milk boosts the metabolic rates of the body, which escalates the fat-burning process, thus you lose a few extra inches from around the waist. Number 10, prevents bone and joint issues. Turmeric is a rich source of capsaicin, a natural and potent painkiller. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food indicates that drinking a glass of turmeric milk every day is perfect for relieving arthritis and joint pain. This happens because turmeric milk is effective in managing the stiffness of joints. It increases the flow of blood, thus providing flexibility to the joints. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric play a great role in improving bone health. To reduce osteoporotic and arthritic pain in the hips, back, and knees, take a glass of warm turmeric milk with jaggery regularly. It is a wonderful recipe for making your bones stronger. Number 11, prevents and combats cancer cells. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is an anti-cancer agent. Regular intake of turmeric milk inhibits the growth and spread of cancerous cells, thus preventing metastasis. According to a research study in Nutrients, turmeric is not only effective in preventing tumors, but also helps reduce the side effects of various treatments, including radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Drinking turmeric milk elevates the levels of antioxidants in your body, which combats cell damage and reduces oxidative stress on the body. Reduction of the body's oxidative stress is essential for a strong immunity against diseases. Number 12, improves the quality of your sleep. If you are having difficulty getting a proper good night's sleep, try a glass of warm turmeric milk before going to bed. A study in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine shows that daily intake of turmeric milk before bed is pretty effective in regulating a proper sleep cycle. Amino acids in turmeric allow you to sleep peacefully and prevent you from waking up frequently in the middle of your sleep. Number 13, great for preventing headaches. If you experience frequent headaches because of stress, allergies, sensitivities to bright light or strong smell, or blockage of sinuses during cold and flu, then you should definitely try turmeric milk. Studies in Biomed Research International suggest that turmeric milk is good for managing stress and improves the texture and flow of mucus. This is great for preventing headaches. So, thinking about adding a glass of this magical drink to your daily diet? It will definitely be one of your best decisions. Making a glass of this super beneficial golden milk is not at all a tough row to hoe. All you have to do is add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to milk and boil it for a few minutes. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon, a half tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of honey to it. You know what? This recipe also acts as a face pack. But consuming turmeric milk orally is not only beneficial for your skin, but overall body health. Drink a glass of warm turmeric milk daily and enjoy a healthy life. Will you start drinking turmeric milk every day after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!